LinkedIn sign-in problem easy solution. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you on how you can solve the sign-in problem on LinkedIn and what are the solutions for it. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you're not being able to sign into LinkedIn, first of all, I want you to not sign in again. So first of all, I want you to reset the app. On an Android phone, long press the app icon, then you'll find the I button. When you tap on it, it will take you to the app information page where you can simply go to storage, clear the cache files, and make sure to clear the data which will reset the app. Once you have done that, come to your Play Store, check if your app has an update available. If it does, tap the update button to update it to the recent version. Or you can simply open up LinkedIn app. Now the final reason it's not letting you log in would surely be a credentials issue because we have tried to see any other ones. So just try to tap on sign in. If you happen to forget your password, then you can also choose to reset it by tapping the forgot password option here. Then it will send a verification code to your email. Once you verify the code, you can reset it. Luckily, if your account is also linked with any of these, if you had linked it before, such as your Google, Apple, or Facebook account, you can also simply choose to log in using those. So that's all it takes to fix the sign-in problem on LinkedIn. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.